We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do. Next up is power washing the roof, and we did not pick the best day to do it.
Let's go to the water. Yeah, we gotta pour that gas in there, start to join up, put our oil in there already. Right here, got a quick starting guide.
Say hello to my little friend.
Where the water at?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Let's turn on our water.
So they turned the water on. He left me in charge of the bookie. Gotta stay on the lookout. Ooh, look at that. We got water. The blicky need to be attached.
Handy dandy quick connect. Damn. Water hooked up. And we just gonna squeeze. Matter of fact, take that off. You don't want no air in your pump. Say about 15 seconds, 30 seconds. I don't know the trailer how it's water.
Oh my gosh.
Nozzle on. Let's start to join up. Turn that bad baby to on. Turn that full line on. The choke is already on choke. When it start running, we're gonna push it back that way, but choke. This is like the speed of the mower, so we're gonna leave it at turtle right now, then rev it up. Pulling stop.
I'm just imagining the little gun going off and just soaking time.
We might need to push the start motor.
2 hours later.
There we go. Whoa, that boy had him shaking. So did you have it in choke all that time?
Yeah, I just moved it to the middle, and then it started like it wanted to start. So now we're gonna push this up to rabbit mode. I think it might be better just pull these behinds off though, but I was gonna actually take off these old wires and unscrew these from the house though. But I mean, it's cleaning this joint for sure.
I'm just over here getting me a mask together because I wasn't spraying, so I was getting sprayed while trying to get the vines off. It looked like you was getting sprayed too.
Yeah, some of these look like dead ants. Look at that.
Whoa. That's why I mess with the long sleeve gang. What's the...
I'm a long sleeve gang too, but
you're not, because you always
I need some long sleeves, man. We looking for some good work shirts.
Babe, you was literally talking about me. He was like, I don't think why you wearing that.
She
It's
got a
too
hoodie
hot.
on. I think I'm gonna let you do this, and then I'm gonna run over there and see if he got these shingles.
I thought we was gonna actually start on the roof. That's what I thought. So the roof dirt could be falling down instead of double washing the house.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if he got these shingles before he close.
It's 3.
Never fail.
One thing at a time. That's what it seemed like. I got my buns going on. This ain't gonna work.
You can do this.
Oh yeah, okay. See? Hairstyle friendly. What I need?
Smaller head.
No. I just want to get it on record that you about to say I need a smaller size.
No, I just bang. There we go. The hair might be in that boy, but
No, I don't feel that.
not yet until you take it off. Grab some ladders.
What you doing, babe?
So I'm about to hook up our 100-foot or
50
another
foot.
50-foot hose on here. So we got a total of 100 feet up in the air. We're gonna see if it still hold that pressure. Usually, if you make something longer, pressure would decrease. If it's a commercial sprayer like they say it is,
it should work.
No matter how long it is.
Don't mind the junk car.
Right, don't do joint. It might something jump out there. I don't want to put my fingerprints on it.
That boy messing up already.
Like, what kind of pressure is this? Now we can push that boy come back there so we can hear. So we got our solution here. Link it in the description. So it's just some all-purpose pressure washer fluid. We just grab that hose, put it in there, and then when it turn on and we put this black nozzle on, it's gonna suck up that solution, mix it, and spray it on the roof. I might just spray it to see if that dirt and ground come off, but I'm gonna keep these boys in my pocket. This little piece right here is for cleaning if it get clogged, the nozzle get clogged, but you just stick that in there, clear the dirt.
Why would it be dirt in there though?
Might suck up some water. The water might have little particles in it. So my locs on.
Where's your mask? Ugh, you gonna get tar in your face? You gonna be looking like a dang old dirty rug.
We gonna see.
Irritated, man.
That thing is gonna get lost.
I thought you was taking it with you.
No, not that. I don't need that thing. It ain't gonna. All this pressure, it should get clogged.
Here you go. Uh-oh. Pop, pop. Babe, you better not have broke.
See it right getting thrown back. Boy, pushed her back, huh? No. Talking about she thought I was right there. out back dirty. Nasty.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh, caveman day.
Don't be scared of little boo-boo, little boo-boo.
I forgot, I cleaned up something. It was nasty though.
The tub water probably?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Well, roof took a day.
No, not really.
Yeah.
It took a few hours. We just got a late start. So what that mean?
That means that this run off a few hours. At first I was looking, I'm like, man, this ain't even working. Like, I didn't know if any dirt was actually coming off because I was scared to get too close because you can rip a shingle, which I did.
Ooh.
That boy slang.
Ooh.
That boy said.
So did it do anything on the roof or no?
Oh, heck shit.
So Mr. Willis, so how wet did you get on the scale of 1 to 10? Or
About a
how
1.
dirty?
About a 1.
Really?
I mean, you know, these
the
boys, I
porch.
like these though.
Yeah, these are steppers.
And they grip on that roof. Do not do this. Get on the roof to power wash it without a harness. Safety first. I ain't doing that no more without a harness, so we need to buy that because if I would have failed,
Then I would have hit you
guess
too.
what? We would have been out of commission. Ray would have been over there motherfucker. I would have been on my cane. Still would have came.
Oh my Lord.
Man, now we gotta wrap this thick hose up.
Anybody got any tips
Right.
on what we should get to wrap these up, keep them nice and neat and easy to carry when we go into our next projects?
It's irritating part. I can definitely picture like a reel. I know the commercials when they pull up the power wash houses, they have like a little reel attached to it.
Oh no!
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.